In this video, you will learn how to apply for a homestead exemption in Florida, verify your eligibility, ensure you own and occupy the property you're permanent resident as of January 1st of the year you're applying, gather required documents, collect the necessary documents such as Florida driving license, vehicle registration, voter ID and property deed. Visit the county property appraiser website or official office. Go to the official property appraiser office website for your county and visit your local person in person if you need to. Complete the application form. Fill out the homestead exemption application form DR 501, accurately providing all requested information. Submit your application. Submit the completed form online, by mail or in person before March 1st deadline of that current year. Wait for confirmation. Once the application is reviewed, you will receive confirmation of your county appraised office regarding approval or additional requirements you may need to do. Now you know. Now you know how to apply for your homestead exemption in Florida. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.